Hello guys, welcome to Commerce Adda online classes. If you are preparing for the UGC NET examination, kindly subscribe to this channel Commerce Adda and press the bell icon for more notifications. So this video is mainly regarding only 10 minutes or less than 10 minutes will be there. Just spend most important update that I am going to give. Yesterday, that is 2nd July, or day before yesterday, 2nd July 2020, UGC gave one update. They gave one notice, but actually it is given by CERT that I will be discussing in detail. The new scheme, that is Accelerate Vignan scheme has been announced or launched by the SERB, that is Science and Engineering Research Board, launched this Accelerated Vignan. This is important update with respect to our higher education, mainly higher education unit number 10, most important update that is here. So India SERB is nothing but, in India one SERB department is there, or else it is a research board. The SERB full form is Scientific and Engineering Research Board. This gave this SERB is launched this scheme called as an Accelerate Vignan. Now let us look into the details. What is the scheme and for what purpose it was launched? Under the Department of Science and Technology, this Science and Engineering Board, Research Board will be working it. That board gave a scheme, a new scheme launched by this board is Accelerate Vigyan, an effort toward the strengthening of scientific research base. That means mainly to promote the scientific research, this scheme has been came into picture. Let us discuss more about this scheme and program. And Narendra Modi and Harshvardhan, who is an honorable minister for the science and technology, earth sciences, gave their own what I can say message in this browser. Also, it is there. That is not much important for our examination point of view. But the thing is, this is the most important slide. Accelerate Vigyan. It is an interministerial endeavor. So under the science and technology as well as earth science ministry, it is an both combination that is going to be there. Under the Accelerate Vigyan, two types of schemes. One is Abhyas, that is skill development is one thing to promote the scientific research, skill development. And second one is Samuhan, that is bringing together. These two are two main components or main schemes of a Accelerate Vigyan scheme. Skill development called as an Abhyas, bring together called as an Samuhan. And under the skill development, you have high-end workshop and research internship. Internship. And under the bring together, that is Samuhan, you have chronicle and seminars and symposia. Let us discuss what is this each and every scheme objective. Every component objective is Accelerate Vigyan is an interministerial scheme. Accelerate Vigyan strive to provide a big push to high-end scientific research and prepare the scientific manpower which can be venture into your scientific careers. So main aim is to provide a good knowledge-based economy in India. They want high-end scientific research people and create a good manpower which is having a best skill in the world. That is a main motto regarding this Accelerate Vigyan. Now under this Abhyas, that is skill development, and Samuhan bring together is there. Abhyas, if you look at Abhyas, the Abhyas mission is an attempt to boost the research and development in the country by enabling and grooming the potential PG and PhD level students by developing their dedicated research skill on the selected areas. Suppose if at all you wanted to do the research in the commerce and various other fields. So in that, in order to groom that particular PhD level or PG level students in providing a series and systematic way of a skill acquisition, this Abhyas scheme will be working. So throughout the high-end workshop and research internship will be provided under the Abhyas mission. There are two types. Under the Abhyas mission, high-end workshop will be provided to give a more broader based knowledge to the students. This high-end workshop is also called as an Karyashala. In Hindi it is called as an Karyashala, aimed at providing a hands-on experience. Workshop is nothing but a practical experience for the student in the university, from the universities and colleges and private academic institution. Anyone PG and PhD level students can apply for this program Karyashala for workshop to get a practical research knowledge. So here second one under the Abhyas mission is Ritika, that is Vritika. VRITIKA, it is also called as a research internship. Ritika called for an initiation of practice science through research internship. They are provided with the opportunity of doing an internship in some organization. It is also giving an promising the opportunities for the student from universities as well as from the colleges to get a practical exposure, practical research exposure mainly. Now, the offering institutions will be who will offer these schemes. The high-end workshop and research institute internship primarily facilitated by institutes of national importance like IITs, IISCs, IISERs, NITs and other organizations and laboratories. Eminence of like CSIR, ICAR, ICMR, these are the prominent laboratories, research laboratories will be providing this internship as well as high-end workshop. And if at all you wanted to apply, you can go through with this website. The website is accelerate.vigyan.gov.in. Just type in the Google, you will get it. Otherwise, I will be providing this document in the description. You can download. Now, second component is Samuhan, that is bringing together. Second mission of the Accelerate Vigyan scheme. Samuhan is aimed at encouraging and consolidate all scientific interaction in the country under one common roof. Total scientific interactions under one common roof is called as an Samuhan. Samuhan name itself is saying bringing together. So it is wide knowledge base and caters the variety of ideas, right? R&D department, research and development departments, institutes in the science and technology, all stakeholders and coordinators and participants and various students from across India institutions. This will be achieved through a two set of subcomponents, namely chronicle and seminar and symposia. The chronicle is called as an Sayonjika. Sayonjika is called as an chronicle. Next, seminar and symposia is called as an Sangosti. Sangosti is already existing seminar and symposia scheme of SERB. Already SERB is having that already it is having, but it is included under this scheme, Accelerate Vigyan. Now, Sayonjika is nothing but integrated initiative to catalog the capacity building activities in science and technology supported by government funding agencies in the country. That means just integration, making a relationship or bringing together various broad knowledge persons or various institutions under one roof. That is the main objective, Sayonjika. This program is to encourage event organizers to register the Accelerate Vigyan online program. Utilizes its logo and submit their completion report and outcomes. Now, whereas here it is sponsored mainly by the central government ministries and other departments eligible under the Sayonjika. Whereas Sangosti is an effort to reshape and renovate the SEB's already existing program under the SEB is there now, Sangosti. To promote or to modify something, to develop the existing one to some extent is the main objective. Provides a partial financial support. Almost it is providing a funding of 5 lakh rupees to a scientific events. To a scientific event or scientific seminars and symposia, wherever it is conducted, maximum 5 lakh funding they will be getting. The institutions who are conducting these type of symposia and seminars, right? These are the 4 missions or else 2 main missions. Under that each one is having 2 sub missions or sub component. So these are working under the Vigyan scheme. Now if we can go back and see the SERB, Science and Engineering Research Board, it is an actually statutory body under the Government of India established by an Act of Parliament. So the Science and Engineering Research Board Act 2008 for planning and promoting a funding of internationally competitive research in emerging areas. Identify the major interdisciplinary research areas and individuals and group institutions and funding them for undertaking a research. Mainly for promotion of the research in the scientific field, the SERB has been enacted by an Act of Parliament in the year 2008 by the Government of India. This is about SERB. Now if at all you want more details, you can go through with the accelerate.vigyan.gov.in is a scheme website, and SERB online is this board website. Next important point with respect to our examination. Recently SERB has been launched this AV scheme, that is Accelerate Vigyan, to strengthen the scientific research mainly. Objective to give the more thrust on encouraging the high-end scientific research and preparing a scientific manpower. Second, vision is, what is a vision? There are three broad goals. Consolidation and aggregation of the all scientific programs and initiating high-end orientation workshop and creating opportunities for the research internship. Now, what are the component? Abhyas program. AV is inviting application for winter season, December 2020 to January 2021. For that, they are inviting application. Boost the research and development by enabling the grooming of potential PG and PhD candidates. Two component high-end workshop is called as an Karyashala. Research internship is called as an Ritika. Next, for important those researchers who have a limited opportunities, access to facility and infrastructure will be provided under this scheme. Now, second one is Sammohan and Sayonjika is there under the second mission of this scheme. Second mission is what? First one is Abhyas and second one is Sammohan. Under the Sammohan, it is divided into Sayonjika and Sangosti. Sayonjika is an open-ended program, capacity building activities in science and technology. And Sangosti is nothing but already pre-existing, it is included in this scheme. Pre-existing program of the SERB already. And who is executing? This is launched by the SERB. But executing body is Interministerial Overseeing Committee. IMOC is the body who is implementing this scheme. The significance is capacity building and social responsibility. Capacity building and social responsibility. The skilled manpower has to be developed across the different disciplines, and social responsibility seeks to garner the social responsibility of the scientific community in the country. These are the important points with respect to examination. That's it. Now, I hope this video is helpful for everyone, not only for the UGC NET point of view, all other competitive examination as a current affair. Now, please follow me in Academy Learning app. There are so many free lessons, free sessions, free live sessions for the UGC NET paper 1 and paper 2 as well in the Academy Learning app. You get the link is given below, and you can join in my Telegram group. You will get latest updates regarding it, and the link is given below. Each and every the Unacademy profile link as well as my Telegram link is given below. You can join over there, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button if you like the video. Kindly share it to your friends. Don't forget to comment if you have any doubts. Thank you. We'll meet again in the next video. Bye bye.